It was so good to see all the hustle and bustle on the show floor the last days. I'm so happy to see that Prolight Sound is back on track, and we are happy to see that Messe Frankfurt is back in the pole position for this important industry.
I mean, we are really excited because we know that there are around 150 more exhibitors and a lot more visitors coming to the show. And we've noticed that at our stand, but also all of our members that are in Hall 12, they all are telling us really good public, a lot of good visitors, quality. The quality seems to be really good, so we're really excited about the show.
The topic of sustainability is really important for us as an association, so we're really happy that it was so present, especially through the green sessions that we organized.
We're having Future Talents Day, which means young people, around 600, are going to be coming here, school kids, but also apprentices and also students, and they can take a look at all of the possibilities to work in our industry and how things are changing now.
Prolight Sound 2023, an international show beyond all expectation. Thank you for those 4 successful days. Have a safe travel and see you on a bigger Prolight Sound in March 2024.